Hey guys, it's Susan. Let's make a beautiful Baroque pearl choker. You're going to need your Baroque pearl, a head pin, some beads, jump rings, and caps, and a clasp. Put your head pin through your pearl. Add your beads. Bend your wire to form a loop. Wire wrap around. Now that we have the pearl made, let's work on the ribbon. Cut your ribbon. Add your pearl. Using your GS Hypo cement, add some to your end. Fold your ribbon. Pinch down one side. Then the other side. Clean up your end. Do the same on the other side. Fold your ribbon. Put it inside your end cap. Fold down one side. Then the other side. Squeeze it together. Clean up your ends. Open up your jump ring. Add your end cap and close it down. Add your clasp. Add your end cap. Close it up. And there you have it. I hope you enjoyed this video and you will give this a try. It is so lovely on. Thanks for joining me. See you again next time.